Right now, AI image generation is everywhere. Creators are using it for thumbnails, brands are using it for campaigns, influencers are using it for avatars. But even with all this growth, there's still one big gap. A lot of AI-generated images look impressive at first glance, but when you really look at them, something feels off. The styling doesn't feel intentional. The lighting looks technically correct, but not emotionally driven. The faces are sharp, yet they don't feel editorial. And if you care about aesthetics, fashion direction, mood, culture, visual storytelling, you quickly realize that most tools generate images, but they don't understand taste. Another challenge is fragmentation. You use one tool for images, another for video, another for lip sync, another for cinematic edits. The workflow becomes scattered instead of creative. So the real question is, can one platform actually bring creative intelligence and production tools together? That's where Higgsfield steps in. Higgsfield.ai is designed as a complete AI creative ecosystem. Instead of focusing on just one output type, it brings image generation, video generation, cinematic workflows, AI lip syncing, camera movement systems, and professional-grade creation tools into one unified platform. Inside Higgsfield, you can experiment with advanced image models. You can explore AI-powered video generation. You can create cinematic visuals with dynamic camera motion. You can work on performance-driven content using lip sync tools. It's built for creators who want more than just random outputs. It's built for structured creative direction. And today, we're focusing on the model that defines its image capabilities, Sol 2.0. Sol 2.0 is Higgsfield's cutting-edge AI image generator, and this is where the real difference begins. Unlike traditional AI image tools that simply respond to prompts, Sol 2.0 approaches generation with creative awareness. It has been designed to understand fashion history, internet culture, niche aesthetics, and visual trends that define modern editorial work. This means when you enter a prompt, you're not just triggering a keyword reaction, you're initiating a creative interpretation. Sol 2.0 analyzes mood, styling language, lighting intent, composition references, and aesthetic direction. The result feels deliberate rather than accidental. As an AI image generator, it focuses heavily on realism. Skin texture retains natural detail. Lighting behaves like it would in a real studio environment. Materials, whether fabric, metal, or skin, carry believable depth. That's why it excels at producing realistic AI photos that feel production-ready. Another strong capability of Sol 2.0 is its versatility. You can generate high-fashion editorial concepts with dramatic styling and couture-level detail. You can create clean commercial visuals for branding campaigns. You can produce professional portraits suitable for business use. It functions seamlessly as an AI headshot generator while still maintaining creative flexibility for fashion and artistic projects. Sol 2.0 is also built to support consistent AI character workflows. If you're developing a recognizable persona for branding, storytelling, or content creation, the model is structured to maintain visual alignment across variations. This opens the door for building what's known as a Sol ID AI avatar, a stable visual identity that can evolve without losing recognition. At its core, Sol 2.0 is built for advanced AI photography, where realism meets aesthetic intelligence. Now let's go deeper and see this in action. I'm inside the Higgsfield.ai platform and selecting Sol 2.0 as the active model. For the first demonstration, I'm creating a fashion editorial concept. Here's the prompt: high fashion editorial portrait of a futuristic model wearing structured silver couture, dramatic studio lighting, ultra-detailed, magazine quality, realistic skin texture, sharp focus. I generate the image. The output immediately reflects a strong creative direction. The couture structure looks architecturally refined. The lighting feels intentionally placed, as if directed by a photographer. The shadows and highlights add depth instead of flattening the subject. The skin detail maintains realism without looking overly processed. The composition feels balanced, like a frame from a high-end campaign. This is a clear example of how Sol 2.0 elevates AI image generation beyond basic rendering. Now let's move into a second practical example: a professional headshot. I'm entering professional corporate headshot, clean studio lighting, neutral background, natural skin tones, confident expression, ultra-realistic photography, high detail. Generate. The result is polished and credible. The lighting simulates a studio environment. The facial proportions remain natural. The expression feels appropriate for corporate branding or LinkedIn profiles. This demonstrates how Soul 2.0 transitions smoothly between creative editorial work and professional AI headshots without changing platforms or tools. And this flexibility is important. Instead of maintaining separate subscriptions for fashion visuals and corporate portraits, you can handle both inside the same model. Because Soul 2.0 operates within the larger Higgsfield ecosystem, your workflow can expand when needed. After generating still images, you can explore video creation tools, cinematic movement systems, and AI-driven performance features, all within the same platform structure. This integration removes creative friction. You're not switching between disconnected systems. You're building within a unified environment. If you want to try it yourself, you can access Soul 2.0 directly through the official model page. There's also a dedicated introduction page explaining the philosophy behind the system and how it approaches realistic AI photos and creative direction. For those who want to optimize their results, the complete Soul 2.0 user guide includes best prompt strategies and advanced tips. In the description, you'll find the main Higgsfield.ai platform link, the direct Soul 2.0 model access link, the official Soul introduction page, the complete user guide with prompt tips, and my personal UTM link for direct access. All of these resources are also pinned in the top comment so you can easily explore everything without searching. If you've been looking for an AI image generator that delivers realistic AI photos, supports consistent AI character development, enables Soul ID AI avatar creation, and functions as a professional AI headshot generator, Soul 2.0 represents a powerful solution. Explore the model, experiment with your own prompts, and experience how AI photography evolves when creative direction is built into the system itself.